So now we just need to add our homepage. So if we go to the homepage, this is already set up with Elementor, so I'm just going to go ahead and go right into Elementor. But if it wasn't, you could go into Home and then Edit with Elementor, and it'll bring you to Elementor. And now we imported in the template, so we can go to this is our Elementor templates, and you have the ones baked into Elementor, but then you also have my templates, which you can get to by going there, and then you can insert in the home page, even though it says section. It's a bunch of sections, but you can import in the home page. If that isn't here, if you go here and you're like, oh crap, I'm in this and I forgot to import the page in, so I'm on the contact page, but I haven't imported in the contact template, for example, you can go into Envato right from here, installed kits, click on your installed kit, find your contact page, and insert it in. Now you don't want to do this every time, because like, let's say I already imported the home page in, and then I imported it again here. It's going to insert it into templates as well. And now I have 2 home pages in templates. And that's where a lot of people kind of mess up too, is like I go into templates after they've been doing some work in it, and there's 40 home pages because they use homepage for a bunch of the different pages on the website. And each time they imported it in directly from Envato, which brought in all of those images again, in those pages. So it just clutters up the media folder. It clutters up the template pages, and you don't know what's what. You go into those images to delete some out, which pages are using the version from the template kit and which ones, because it doesn't recognize it's already there and not use it and just use the one that's existing. It just downloads it to the website again and uses that version with that ID. So it creates a massive mess to import these in more than one time. So don't do it.